Now we will move on to the case study, and then I will start taking the questions. So around 5 to 6 years back, when I was in this industry only, so one student asked me that, sir, I have heard that you can get scholarship for UG, you can get scholarships for PhD because it is full funding, you can get a scholarship for MS. But sir, have you heard any student getting full funding for MBA? At that time, 5 years back, I was also not believing the fact that you can get 100% funding, that too for a professional course, MBA. But in 2019, one of my students secured 100% funding for MBA, and that amount was in the tune of 77 lakhs, 101,000 USD. Spectacular. He did not have to pay a single dollar from his pocket. And on the top of it, he also got funding to fund his living expense. If you all allow, I will try to show you that offer letter just to give you a feel how does getting 100% scholarship feel, and that too for an MBA. People have got for UG, people have got for MS and for PhD, but for MBA also. That is why I have put it into the slide. So just I'll take 2 minutes to show you that letter. Just give me a second. So I hope this is visible to all of you, right? This was Arizona State University last year. And you can see, I'll read out. It's with great pleasure to inform you that you have been selected for WP Carey Full-Time MBA Innovation Merit Award. This award is based on your record of exceptional academic achievement and acceptance to a full-time MBA program at WP Carey School of Business. And you can see here, tuition and mandatory fees international is 101,000 USD. Today, if you convert this amount, it is something around 75 to 77 lakhs. Just check, scholarship and tuition reduction, 101,000. Remaining tuition and fees, $0. On the top of it, you will be compensated for your work with a bi-weekly stipend totaling $14,900 over the course of 2-year program. This is what I was discussing, GA, graduate assistantship. This is in addition to the above listed scholarship. And you can check about this school on net that the average pay packets after you pass from this university is 120,000 USD if you pass out as an MBA, which means something around 90 lakhs to 1 crore rupees. It was a game changer for him. It was a game changer. I have multiple examples to show. One of my students went into Northwestern for MS Analytics. She did not have 10 lakh rupees, but she applied through scholarships, through the tools that we have had, and her name was Tanya. She is currently working in Pandora in California. Okay, now coming back onto the slide. So how did he apply, or what was the strategy behind him applying for an MBA? First is, he applied early. Applied early means his application was more or less complete by October end. Secondly, we had to do a thorough research in terms of number of scholarships available and what type of scholarships university provide and what is the requirement for that. We started with a defined plan, like preparing the SOP, which plays a very important role, LORs, CV, along with there is one scholarship based essay. Why do you deserve this scholarship? We all did the task beforehand, and by October end, we submitted the application. And as a result, it was a game changer for him. 100% scholarship, free of cost. Now he is currently working with Amazon as an intern in supply chain, and currently I'm in touch with him as well. So he is looking for a very bright career with Amazon itself after his MBA. Similarly, we have placed students for PhD who have secured 100% funding. And for PhD, the most important part is the networking draft. the initial level of networking draft. That is the very key factor. If you have your networking draft in place, chances of getting funding is very high, because with the help of networking draft only, you get approvals from the professors that yes, you, Mr. Rajiv, you are eligible to apply for this PhD, you may apply. And as soon as you apply, the professors will advocate on behalf of you to give the funding, and then you will be getting the funding. So PhD, you have to make sure that. For UG also, early application, focus on early action or early decision to make your applications, or else by December 15th on or before. If you apply, chances of getting a scholarship is much higher.